Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how to get the reply option on Instagram. So for example, if you are using a professional account, then you will definitely get this option from Instagram by default. But if you are using a personal account, then you have to follow the procedure which I'll tell you. So first of all, we will check if it is working currently or not. I'll click here and I'll click here, and what I'll do, I'll check if it is allowing me to reply. No, I am dragging it, but still it is not giving me an option to reply. Let's hold it, and again you can see there is no option of reply. I'll take a screenshot of this, and my screenshot has been saved. Now I will go back and I'll click on my profile icon. Here I'll click on these three lines, settings, and I'll click on the help section. Now I'll click on report a problem, and I'll click on report a problem. Here I have written, "Hey Instagram team, I am unable to get a reply feature. Please enable this option for my account, thanks." And here I'll click on gallery, and I'll choose the screenshot which I took just a minute ago, and I'll click on submit. Turn on shake, and yeah, I have reported this to Instagram. Definitely the team will look over it and help me finding the reply option. You have to wait for at least 24 hours, but if you still don't get the option, you have to follow the same procedure and you have to report it again. Hope you have got the solution of the problem. If you got the solution, make sure to like, subscribe and press bell icon. Thank you so much.